Up first this evening, a response from Prime Minister Andrew Holness to mounting pressure from environmental groups about mining in the Cockpit country. The response came in his Independence Day message to the nation. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has the details.
Dramatic protests, concerns from environmentalists and the opposition. Pretty much the response the government has been getting to its plan to do mining in the Cockpit country. And again, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is doubling down on his claims that protecting the environment is at the forefront of the government's agenda.
That there will be no mining or any other activity that could harm the environment in the protected area.
Mr. Holness had indicated that mining will take place away from the protected areas. In his Independence Day address, he offered some clarifications as to how the protected boundaries were decided.
We considered the particular geological features of the area and the ecology and biodiversity which grows from it and depends on it, the forest and all that live in it. We also considered that the Cockpit country is a water bank for Jamaica, storing vast volumes of the precious commodity in caves and caverns beneath it. Based on the technical advice of the experts and after consultations, the boundary of the area to be protected was decided.
Amidst the mounting criticisms over the project, the Prime Minister also acknowledged that Cabinet has taken steps to ensure that before any mining is allowed, environmental impact assessment studies are done.
We are sensitive to the concerns raised about the Cockpit country protected area, and we are also sensitive to the area surrounding and in close proximity to the Cockpit country protected area. The government remains committed to protecting our environment and will only pursue projects that are environmentally sustainable.
However, it did not speak specifically to concerns raised by some residents in Trelawney that their health will be compromised. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.